How's it going, everyone, and happy Friday. In this video, I want to talk about a losing trade that I took today, kind of give you why behind it, what I did wrong, in hopes that it helps you not do the same thing in the future. Maybe you can learn from my mistake here. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, I want to say I was negative around $400 on this trade. Full transparency. You're not going to win them all, but I did make two mistakes, and I want to talk about them here. One thing, I went against volume. As you can clearly see, we had an increase. I broke one of my rules there, right? We started to increase, as you can see here. Another thing, I entered this trade a bit earlier than I should have, especially on quad witching day. Honestly, I shouldn't have traded at all today. And I was good up to this point. What happened? I sat in front of the screens too long, got a little impatient, and I entered this trade early. I guess you could call this forcing a trade. Happens to everyone, occasionally we make mistakes, I guess is the best way to put it. Everyone makes mistakes. The way I'm going to handle this mistake is I'm going to write it down, document it, so that way I can see exactly what I'm doing wrong, because if you do not write down what you're doing wrong every day, you're going to continue to do it. If you do not document your trades daily, you're not going to be able to see what you're doing wrong, right? If you cannot physically see it written in front of you, you will not know that, hey, this is something I'm doing constantly. I need to cut it out, right? So that's how I'm going to handle this. We cut this down around 39.20 on SPX was the level I was watching to make this trade no longer valid. I told everyone, so if we fail that level, I think we're going to head down here to, my original bounce level that was on my watch list that I posted inside Team Bull at 388.5. Me personally, I'm not going to take any more trades today. Even if my levels do confirm from pre-market, I'm done. I'm going to take the loss and go on about my day, enjoy my Friday. I want to say this before I go. If you took a losing trade today, maybe you've had a losing week. You can't let it get you down all weekend. Don't let it ruin your weekend. Change your mindset. Change to a positive mindset. Say, okay, how can I improve? How can I make this, work? Money is going to come and go. If you put in that time and effort into learning how to do this right, it's going to be a lifelong skill that's always going to make you money. You're going to be able to adapt. Even if we do have small red days like this, it's just part of it, Well, I guess I'm done ranting on. That's basically all I had for this video. Just want to talk about my losing trade, tell you my mistakes, write down these mistakes. So hopefully this will help you all out in the future, keep you from doing exactly what I did today. No worries. Next week's a big week. We got FOMC coming up. Really looking forward to that. I love trading FOMC meetings. They're not for everyone, but to me, it's like a bonus in the stock market world. If you're not in Team Bull and would like to join us, I'm going to leave a link down below. Would love to have you all there. Again, I always try to be very transparent in my trades. If you have any questions, or maybe if you had a losing trade, just need someone to talk to, reach out to me. I'm here to listen, maybe help you out. Appreciate you all for watching. I will see you next time.